How to fix Shazam app not recognizing songs. So if you want to fix Shazam app not recognizing songs, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Shazam application and then go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to scroll down, and here you just need to simply go with permissions. Under permissions, if you've not allowed any permissions, then it will not recognize any applications. Like, you just need to simply allow the microphone access. The main thing is allowing the microphone access. And after allowing that, you need to allow the notifications also. Once you allow the notifications, now you need to go back and go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you just need to simply remove that and then again open the application, and it might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But even after restarting, if that doesn't fix, then it might be something with the application itself. You just need to simply go and uninstall the application or delete the application and again install it from your Play Store or your App Store. Or you can simply go with your Play Store and search for Shazam. And then if you have any updates under the application, then you can simply go with the updates and update the application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix Shazam app not recognizing songs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.